up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before I get into this video, yes, we got a lot of parts that just came in for the X3 M40i, and it's gonna change and transform the look of this car. But I got a simple question for you guys. Is a car, guys or girls, project car ever actually done? What do you guys do when you guys finish it? Do you guys keep changing stuff again? Do you guys sell it, get another project because you guys just get bored? I want to know. Drop it down in the comments. But without further ado and any more wasting of time, let's get straight to this video and I'll show you guys what's going to make this X3 M40i look way different than any other one on the road, especially if you go to the dealership and just buy one. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do is come in here. I got some painting on a rag, wiping it down, making sure I get every nook and cranny because you want this stuff to stick. And we're gonna go ahead and actually install the rear spoiler first. Once we have this installed, we're gonna have to also make sure we press down on it. But for now, just make sure you do a great job wiping it because prep work is always the key, and you don't want this thing to be flying down the road when you're driving. So as you can see, I'm putting extra time and effort into this just to make sure it's all good. Another way you can get this thing to line up a lot easier is, as you can see, it's kind of hard, I guess, but if you can see the yellow tape, I put yellow tape when I dry fitted it. That way I know where the edge of the spoiler actually lines up to. And I've actually got the double-sided tape peeled back about 6 to 7 inches just so I can get the two corners to stick once I have it where I want it, and then I can slowly peel it off that excess tape. And as I keep doing that, basically, that spoiler is going to stick one by one, couple inches at a time, and I can get a perfect fitment and still be able to shift it a little bit if I need to versus just slapping it all there all at once. The trunk spoiler is all on. Man, that looks amazing. It changes the whole feature of the rear end. Now, let's go ahead and get to the rest of the parts. Alrighty, take a look at that. That front lip looks amazing. We are all done. That's it. I'm just joking, guys. What we're doing is I actually found some boxes since I'm here by myself to actually hold the lip exactly where I want it to be at. Now after this, and I know where it's at, we're going to be using these self-tapper screws with washers and double-sided tape. We're going to take the lip back off, and since we know how we want it positioned, we can still use the box to help us since we're by yourself. So if you don't have a partner with you at the time, you can go ahead and do this still by yourself. Find a couple boxes or anything that'll hold the lip up. It'll make everything a breeze. So we got another box here as well, and it's got some more parts. This one also has double-sided tape. It just sticks right on. But man, let me get this off the camera. Trying to unwrap this down for you guys. Wow. It's gonna help match that gloss black trim all around. And these actually sit right here on the rear bumper. I'm actually going to show you guys how that's going to look like. So on the rear end of this car, we got the trunk spoiler on there and we got these unwrapped, and this actually goes right here and sits right there just like that, and it's gonna look really good. Let's go ahead, get these all on there. We're gonna have to wipe this down just like we did on the trunk spoiler, then stick this all on. Alrighty guys, so you guys got the car outside of the shop because we do have a new build coming in, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can see that. But for now, we got the front end parts that just came in, just like the rear. Has a double-sided tape on there already for us, and all we do is we're gonna put it on right there on the front, make sure we line it up, so no more need to bore you guys with how to do it, because it's all the same exact concept. Let's get straight to it. Here's the before, I'll show you guys the after. And just like that, a couple minutes later, there is the after finished product. A lot more aggressive, looks a lot more sharp, and man, that was an easy DIY, but it changed the whole front end. We not only changed the front end, we got the rear end done as well, and this thing is all completed. Alrighty guys, well that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button and the subscribe button, and also make sure you stay tuned for the next video that we have coming out, because we just bought our ultimate dream car, and I'm not going to unveil it yet in this video because we don't have enough time for it, but on the next video we bought the ultimate dream car. Me and my wife drove about 12 hours to go grab it, 12 hours back, and some interesting things also happened. So I'm not gonna go into much further detail than that. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. Until then guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like what you guys saw, make sure you drop something down in the comments. Let us know if you have any other questions as well. But until then, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.